So what we've got is we've got a brand new guard and a brand new section and a properly adjusted hold down. And we're just gonna do a little cut comparison. So I'm just using a zip tie here. There we go. So there you can see it sheared it cleanly right off. So there's a nice clean edge right there. So really worn guard, physically damaged section. Some of you have probably got a few of these rolling around on some of your headers. Sections right here, you can actually see these little striations going across the top. That can be caused by improper hold down, where now the knife is actually hitting the top part of the guard, or it gets caused by crop getting basically wedged in between there and going back and forth. Let's all watch the carnage together. So at this point, basically what we're doing is we're just chewing up the crop. We're not really cutting it anymore. We're just macerating it until it finally gives up. Imagine that the whole length of your 50-foot knife. That's where you're going to get your stalling, or you're going to have to reduce your ground speed so much that it's just going to ruin your day. Pick up one of these handy MacDon parts guides. So the 2025 parts guide, pick this one up at your dealer, or you can download it from MacDon.com under owner resources.